Hello, my friend. My name is Terry Petrovic. Got a question for you. Are you the type of person who hates selling, who doesn't want to do network marketing or have a home-based business because they just don't want to chase their family and friends? You don't want to be that guy or that chick that everybody runs from. Well, I'm going to tell you how to avoid that, so stay tuned. Okay, so how do you become successful in network marketing or a home-based business without selling? Well, my guess is that you probably like selling. What you don't like is chasing people, hyping people, and running after people. Well, I'm going to share with you some network marketing tips that I've learned over the past 20 years. From a very simplistic standpoint, here's a simple belief that I think I believe and you believe. Nobody likes to be sold anything, but people love to buy, right? People love to buy. So why is it that every network marketing company almost teaches people to make a list and approach every family and friend that they have, every number in their, cell phone book? That's one of the reasons why I think network marketing has sometimes gotten a bad rap. It's because people end up chasing people. It's not really the selling of a product. People love giving value and being compensated for that, but they hate the pushy sales types. That's one of the reasons why CarMax is such a thriving, popular car dealership, is that it's no hassle, no, wheeling and dealing. The price that you get is the price that you get. But in network marketing, if you can just shift one thing from being a pusher and a seller and a hyper to a person that is a go-giver. Bob Burg wrote a great book called The Go-Giver. It's about adding value. And in the world of online marketing and network marketing, this is sometimes referred to as attraction marketing. What does attraction marketing mean? It means that you are going to attract people to buy what you have or to join your company because they see value in it. There's lots of websites. Dr. Mercola is one, but you can go offline. You can, I don't know if you've ever been and taken dance lessons. They give away free dance lessons so they can actually sell you a membership, or if you have kids, maybe you've given your kids some free taekwondo lessons. Why? We want people to experience that. Okay. Once they experience it and they see it and like it and trust, then they want to make that buying purchase. So when it comes to network marketing, you have to really think about how can you add value to your community, whoever your ideal prospect is. If it's nutrition, how can you offer tips and strategies that help your consumer? If you're in travel, how can you provide maybe a blog post or a short video on 7 simple ways that you can go on vacation in Myrtle Beach for pennies on the dollar? Something like that. Give value to people. When you give value to people, there's something called the law of reciprocity. Odds are if you give value to people, they're going to want to give value to you, which is money in a lot of cases. Now, attraction marketing is probably one of the hottest things out there today. Attraction marketing actually teaches you how to build an audience, how to engage with that audience, and then how to sell to that audience. And it's really not selling at that point, because once you build an audience and you have a following of people that know, like, and trust you, they're saying, hey, give me what you got. I want the products, or I want to look younger, or I want to learn how to travel more, or I want to do whatever it is that you are selling. So you are attracting people who want to buy what you have to sell. So you are being the hunted as opposed to the hunter. Big difference there. Total energy shift, if you will. Again, it's about adding value to people, to your community, as opposed to you posting, your products or posting your company or everything that so many companies encourage you to do, which is just a bunch of noise out there. I heard something that the average person gets hit with something like 20 or 30,000 marketing messages every single day. It's ridiculous. So we numb it out. But if somebody can provide value and they can provide some entertainment along the way by telling compelling stories or showing some pictures without doing verbal diarrhea all over people, now you got somebody's attention. You are going to give them some value that is real world value, not a bunch of hype or BS or smoke and mirrors. And odds are they're going to have a greater interest in what you have to offer. Now, not everybody's going to buy from you, no question about that. But when you follow somebody and they're a trusted resource, now odds are you are going to want to make a purchase from that person. So, creating value, and that value can be on Facebook. It can be a live video. It could be a YouTube video. It could be a blog post. It could be an article. It could be some, photos on Pinterest, on, how to do a certain thing that you're selling. Could be clothes, could be makeup, could be whatever. That's really the first thing, is that once you start building that audience and once you start engaging with that audience, then that audience is going to want to follow you. The next thing really, and I don't really have time to go into a lot here, but I'm going to give you the ability to take one of my best courses. And that course is how to just crush it with 7 simple steps of attraction marketing. You'll love that course because I dive deep into all these areas. So you will learn how to brand yourself, how to craft a message for your ideal prospect, and then how to attract them to you. Because at the end of the day, that's really what it's all about. It's about not being one of those hypey, salesy people, but it's about giving value to your ideal prospect so they want to buy from you. Does that kind of make sense? So, again, I'm going to leave a link down below this video where you can get access to that free training. I think you'll get a lot of value out of it. If you got a lot of value out of this training, please hit the like button and share it. And if you have questions or comments, please leave those below. I personally answer all of those. My name is Terry Petrovic. We're in this together. I love this profession. It's given me my life back, and it can you as well. Remember this, my friend, you have a choice, so make it a better than terrific day. Until next time, bye.